Hi everyone, as you can see I'm surrounded here with a gorgeous view of Israel. All these big pebbles and stones over here we're talking about, all on the ground over here where I am, just over here. Now imagine this gets kicked by an animal, a lot of these things, which animals, you could have violent animals, you could have like fierce dogs and fierce animals, could be even bears or tigers, and they can damage other people's properties over here. I'll just give you some snippets. You can see some stones over here. Happens very, very common that when animals will walk, they run, they're fierce inside the street, animals could potentially kick the different stones and do damage to other items, could do damage to other human beings, it could hurt. These things could over there when someone kicks something or something like that. Animals, we're talking all about in this Talmud with regards to different damages animals could do. Inside the Mishnah, at the start of Masechet Bava Kama, we learned all about there's 4 different categories of damages. But one case that's spoken about inside the Daf Yomi today is, what if an animal is going to kick a stone or some sort of pebbles and will damage another item? So according to the Gemara in today's stuff, it's related over that chetzi, you're going to have to pay half the amount worth of the damage, the person that has been damaged. So friends, where do we get this figure from? Half of the amount. So we've talked about it before. One of the explanations is that this was a halacha from Moshe from Har Sinai. This was happened. Let me expound a bit on this. We learn in the Parshiot of Yitro and in Mishpatim in Sefer Shemot that Moshe Rabbeinu actually went up to the heavenly realms on 3 different occasions for 40 days each time, and over there he learned a lot of the different laws that was to take place, a lot of the oral Torah, the Torah Sheba'al Peh, which is pertaining to man and everything else, and it's related very much inside the Gemara here in the Talmud the whole time. The whole of the Talmud actually relates over much of the oral laws, and we, as Jewish people, we believe that there's a Torah Shebichtav, which is a written Torah, the Torah, Nevi'im, and Ketuvim. Then there's an oral law. What's oral law? It's Torah Sheba'al Peh, which has been passed on from Moshe from Har Sinai. And one thing we learn in the Pirkei Avot is in the ethics of the fathers that Moshe received the Torah and it went down to Yoshua. It went down every single generation, even till our generation now. So we've got that sort of tradition, and very much this encompasses the oral law, this does. And this is one of the laws. This law within regards to half damages that you've got to pay is actually related over inside is a halacha Moshe Mahar Sinai. This is where the law kicks in. So this week we're going to actually come inside Shabbat Parshat Toldot this week. We see the birth of Yaakov and Esav. We see very much nowadays Yaakov very much represents Israel. Esav represents Edom. That's why it's funnily enough, the red lentils which he got was Edom, which was color red, and that's very much encompassing the Torah portion. So Shabbat Shalom, and take